In this video, we're going to talk about how to create and customize the site navigation menu that appears at the top of our site. From the dashboard, go to the Appearance menu, then select the Menus subpanel. Now, this screen is one of two places you can create and manage the menus for your site. The other method is via the Customizer, which has the added advantage of showing a live preview of our changes updated in real time. To launch the Customizer, either click the Customize link under the Appearance menu, or click the button at the top of the page to manage menus with Live Preview. Now, on the right-hand side is a live preview of our site. And as we make changes to the options on the left-hand side, the preview will update in real time. Now, WordPress tells us we haven't created any menus yet, so I'll click the button to create a new menu. First up, we need to give this menu a descriptive name so we can identify it later. Then, we need to choose where we want this menu to appear. Now, this theme supports 3 different menu locations: a primary menu across the top of the site, a footer menu at the bottom of the site, and a social links menu, which I'll cover in just a minute. I'll assign our newly created menu to the primary menu location. And now we're ready to start adding links to our new menu. So I'll click Next, and then click the Add Items button to start adding links to our menu. Now let's start by adding links to the most important pages in our site. First, I'll add a link to our home page, which will make it easy for our visitors to return home from any page in our site. So I'll just click to add the home link to our menu. Next, I'd like to add a link to our About page. So I'll click that page to add it to the next spot in the menu. Click anywhere in the title bar itself to edit the details of a link, including the navigation label that appears in the menu. I'll shorten this link to simply About. And you can also remove a menu link at any time. Now, I'd like to add some new pages to our menu that we haven't created yet. And we can actually create new pages right here that we can then edit and finish building later. So, for example, I'll add a new page for our blog, which I can finish setting up later. And I'll also create a contact page. All right, now we've got a pretty basic menu, but it'll work great for now. Now, if you want, you can also add custom links to your menu. Just enter the URL for the link, and then the link text you want to appear in the menu. So, for example, I'll temporarily add this link to acme.com, and you'll see it's been added to our menu as a custom link. To remove an item from your menu, just click the red X next to the item you wish to delete. In addition to pages, you can also add links to individual posts, and even create new posts right here. But you can also add menu links to specific categories or tags, which can be really helpful. So, for example, I'll add a link to the products category of our blog, which will help our visitors to easily find all of our product posts. To rearrange items in the menu, simply drag and drop them into any order you like. And you can even create nested or drop-down menus by simply dragging a menu item slightly to the right of the parent menu item. And now, if I click in the live preview, we can see what our new menu will look like. And notice the drop-down menu for our products category underneath the blog menu item. Now, I think I'd rather give our products their own place in the menu, so I'll just drag that category link slightly back to the left until it appears in the top level once again. All right, now we've created a custom menu for our site. So I'll click Publish, and now our new primary menu will appear at the top of our site. Next, I'll click the Close button to exit the Customizer and return to the Menus screen. And now, if we want, we can further edit our newly created menu from this screen. Now, remember earlier in the video, I mentioned that this theme also includes a social links menu. Now, not all themes include this feature, but it allows visitors to quickly access your social profiles by clicking small icons that represent each service. I'll show you what I mean by first creating a new custom menu. And I'll give this menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Next, we need to add custom links to the web address for each of our social profiles. For example, I'll paste the link to our Twitter profile, and then for the link text, just enter the name of the social network, in this case, Twitter. and then create new custom links for any other social profiles. Once you've added all your social links, be sure to assign this menu to the Social Links menu location, and then save your new menu. And now, if we visit our site, we'll see our new Social Links menu just beneath our primary menu. And WordPress automatically replaces the custom links with icons for each service, enabling our visitors to easily connect with us on their favorite social networks. Now remember, not all themes include support for a Social Links menu, so check the documentation for your theme. Now you know how to create custom navigation menus for your website, making it easy for your visitors to find the most important content on your site.